What's up, y'all? Welcome back again to another video. If you're new here, my name is Libien Becker and this is Diet and Fitness. So for breakfast, we will be having buttery Dutch baby with vegetable fillings and sausage patties. Lunch will be kung pao shrimp with brown basmati rice, and dinner, fried rice with meatballs. Okay, so for breakfast, we're just gonna blend 3 eggs with 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Yeah, that's not 3/4 cup, boy. 3/4 cup of milk with a little bit of pinch of all-purpose spice. Gonna blend that all up, but before we started this, we need to melt 3 tablespoons of butter in the cast iron pan in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're just gonna pour it in the cast iron pan and just bake it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. While that's cooking, we're gonna prepare the sausage patties. Just beat it, turn it, circle, and put it in the oven. We're gonna cook that for about 10 minutes, 5 each side. And now we're just gonna prepare the vegetables, potatoes, carrots, and green beans. Now we're just gonna heat up 1 tablespoon of olive oil on medium heat. And after that, we're just gonna simmer or golden all the vegetables. And put some water on that so the steam can cook the potatoes. Give that a little stir. We're gonna put a pinch of sea salt on top and some soy sauce. Drip, 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 a drip, a drip. Just like that, we've got breakfast. And pow, thumbs up, that's good eats right there. And now we will make a lunch. We're gonna heat up 2 tablespoons in the Instant Pot. 2 cups of brown basmati rice with 2.5 cups of water. Yes, swice. And a pinch of sea salt. Give that a little stir. We'll cover it up and cook it for 22 minutes on high. And right when we hear the timer, we're gonna give it a quick pressure release. And just like that, brown rice is made. Don't mind the background, guys. I know it's disgusting. That's just decoration, really. The kitchen's pretty clean. Now we're just gonna get the vegetables ready for the kung pao shrimp. Chop, chop, chop. Don't cut your finger, boy. Don't you cut your finger. Careful. It's awfully dangerous, huh? Now we're gonna strip the shrimps naked. Strip a shrimper. Now it's time to steam all the vegetables. Cut up some bigger pieces. So now we're gonna throw in the shrimp, cover it up, and then wait until it turns orange and white. And we've got cooked shrimp. Out. And now we're gonna add the garlic, water chestnuts, and some ginger. The ginger really put that kick in there for taste. Oh, it's so good. For this kung pao sauce, I have 1/3 cup of coconut milk, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, dry sherry, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose flour. And we're gonna drip it in. So we're just gonna let that steam thicken. We're gonna let that thicken a little bit and then we will be done. Ah, just like that, guys. Another good eats. Kung Pao shrimp cooked. Told you, I'm coming. Okay, now it's dinner time. Now we're gonna cook 3 cups of white rice, rice baby, with 3 cups of water. We're just gonna put the cover on and hit the rice button. We'll cook that for 12 minutes with a crisp pressure release. When the timer goes off, and pow, we've got white rice. Who doesn't like rice, huh? Simple and just really not a lot of nutrients, but it tastes good. Okay, now it's time to prepare the meatballs. So in here I just have 1 pound of ground turkey and 1 pound of ground beef. And we're gonna put 1/4 cup of cheese on here with 1 egg. And 3 minced garlic cloves. Chop, 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 and just don't cut your finger, and we're good. Gonna scrape it into the bowl, and of course some parsley. Ooh, missed a parsley, and some pepper. We're gonna give it a mix, and we're gonna roll up the balls, and then we're gonna put it in the oven at 400 degrees. We're gonna bake that for 20 minutes. In that same pan we made the Kung Pao shrimp with, we're gonna put 3 tablespoons of coconut oil and just steam all our vegetables again. So much vegetables. I don't know what to tell you if you don't like vegetables, people. They're good. You gotta love it. Cook, cook, cook is the way to go. Give that a little stir. And then pour in the other vegetables. And let that simmer. After we put the peppers, oof, forgot about that. Then I'm just gonna let that steam again. And yeah, with a pinch of salt again. Okay, we're gonna crack 5 eggs on the side and just whisk. We're gonna whisk all of that up, and we're gonna mix everything in together. The rice and mix everything together, and there we will have fried rice. Now that's good eats. Shout out to all my rice eaters. Oop, meatballs are done. Here for breakfast we have $3 for 705 calories with a protein shake I will be having with that. Then for lunch it's $3 to $4, around 645 calories, and dinner for $2 for 645 calories. Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed that video, please give it a like. Remember to subscribe if you want to continue see some good cooking. I tell you, it's good. People have tried it. My roommates have been trying it. They can tell you. Some of them. Haha. But always remember to eat good, stay fit, feel good, and do good. Peace, y'all.